Okay, back to the video. We're getting out of here now. I got my glasses back on. Coming back out. I'm going towards Mama and Bella now. But she's, oh, hold on, she is right there, you guys. Look at her. Look at her. She is, oh, that's a him because he got two little spikes on his head. Oopsie. Two little spikes. There he is. Check that out. I don't want to distort it, but he's watching. This is his regular routine, and we're the ones that are the outsiders here. There you go. Now, all you YouTube people, let me tell you, this is during the COVID social distancing stuff, and we came out here to spend time with a deer in front of Fort Nisqually. That's crazy, huh? Pandemic or not, this is what she does every day. Or he does, because he's a two-pointer, little spiker. So we're going to get this on the channel so everybody can see you don't have to stay home to stay socially separated. But this is where we're at. This is what we got. Keep my eye on Sarah over here. People are starting to get us going and stuff. So, see you guys later.